Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how the repeat grid works. So the repeat grid is an amazing feature of Adobe XD, and basically what it allows you to do is to create duplicates and basically infinite copies of the same element on both the X and the Y axis. So let's see it work in action. So as you can see, I just have this group in the flow, and in order to use the repeat grid, I can go on the top right and click on repeat grid, and as you can see, now we have these two new cursors, and if we just click and drag it, you can see that it's automatically doing some duplications and copies of the same element pretty much infinite amounts of times. And this is very useful. It can save you a lot of time while creating projects, and you can simply adjust the distance between one object and the other by clicking on these purple pinkish kind of colors, and as you can see, the whole area will adjust automatically, and you can do this in both the X and Y axis. So let's take a look at a second example. Again, I simply select the entire group, so be sure not to have a single layer selected, but having one entire group. And then I already clicked in this case, but you can also ungroup it and redo it again. And as you can see, the repeat grid in action is working, and yeah, you can adjust all of these elements in literally just a few seconds. So I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions about the repeat grid or Adobe XD, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you.